Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And of course, this is the intraday video for the 1 hour chart and 15-minute chart to see what happened in Bitcoin. Don't forget that we have updated the FETCH.AI today on the X. Don't forget to follow as well to see for more updates. So basically what happened today is a massive drop. It is an invalidation for 112 even, and we're gonna take the low, or we took it already anyway. And what's gonna happen here is, of course, is an extension for this potentially corrective wave, but we're dropping down. It gave us the signal that we're dropping down, whether we take the 1-to-1 fib level or not. We might drop down even from here, guys, so be careful. This is what I'm doing this intraday early today, because of course it might drop down from here. It might make, of course, as well one more move toward the upside and moving down. Why I'm saying this? First, this is nothing related to some structure here. It is, of course, related to the news overworld today. Incredible day. More tariffs coming from the US market, and also a threat of war in the Middle East. I'm not gonna involve so much into the news, but yes, this is the impact of it today. Invalidation of 1-2, and then of course now we have a bigger correction. Why a bigger correction? Because of course I don't see 1-2 yet, because here you have 3 waves anyway. Here it can be an impulse, but you're finishing in an impulse as well. That's why. So A, B, C, or W, X, and a Y. Potentially you might take the high, maybe touching the 1-to-1 fib level, and then moving towards the downside, finishing this structure in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. If we drop directly from now, that means, of course, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 extended wave. A 5, your wave 3 is longer than your wave 1, but your wave 5 is longer than wave 3, so it is an eligible impulse as well as an ABC zigzag. You have to be careful if this turns out into something like 1-2, potentially here, 1-2, and then another 1-2, and then 3, 4, 5. But I doubt it, because of course here we touch the 886, meaning a little bit less possibility, of course, for a 1-2 here. So wave 2 is very close to the 886. However, we have to be careful in all case scenario, as I mentioned in the daily. So don't forget that we are in a bear market. In a bear market, meaning, of course, we are in a big move toward the downside from the top. And we're looking at 3 waves down, 3 waves up here, unfinished, finished or unfinished, it doesn't matter. It's gonna be a bearish market again. So obviously all of this is just corrective, and the trend is toward the downside. And we're looking, of course, for continuation, whether from the 1-to-1 fib level, or from here, or from this area. And of course, you can manage your trading, your plan and strategy based on that, right? So be careful with it. I'm doing this because even the potential that we drop directly from here is very high, as well. And that because of the news that we're hearing today. It's not so optimistic and positive for the market, even for the stock market. We saw, of course, Nasdaq dropping down very massively since yesterday, and today continuation. And this will affect Bitcoin and crypto market. I'm not saying it might affect, it will affect it definitely. We're gonna see a wave C, a huge wave C towards the downside soon or later, meaning from this top, from the blue box, in case you take the all-time high here of this structure, if you take the high, or if you take the 1-to-1 fib level, or if you move directly from there. So be careful from it. That's why I'm updating. Don't forget, of course, FETCH.AI is already updated on X today, so don't forget and miss this update. Yep, so that was it for Bitcoin. Trade safe, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.